students, today we are going to see phonics junction. In the last class we have seen a vocabulary junction. Today we are going to see phonics junction from the lesson Alice and the White Rabbit. In that lesson only I have took some lines from that, few lines I have took. With that only we are going to see the phonics junction. See to the first one, wasn't that a funny thing? Wasn't that a funny thing? This is a one line. And the next one, it was wearing a brown coat with letters of the English alphabet on it. This is the second line I have took from the book. And the next one is the dust made her cough but she wasn't a bit hurt. The dust made her cough but she wasn't a bit hurt. Here there are few words which are similar in their pronunciation. Here F, PH and GH make a sound as F. In these lines the pronunciation or we are going to see is F sound. So here the word wasn't that a funny thing. Here the word funny thing. Here the word funny is given here. The pronunciation for F it is given as F. Funny, funny, F. The pronunciation is F. And the next one, it was wearing a brown coat with letters of the English alphabet on it. Here also alphabet, alpha. It is here the word fa that represents the sound as F. Here the word alphabet, this pronunciation of PH gives us F. Here also F it is given. And here for funny, funny, F. It is a pronunciation of F here. And here for PH also it pronounces F. So alphabet on it. And the next line, see to here, the dust made her cough but she wasn't a bit hurt. The dust made her cough. Here the word is cough, GH. GH it pronounces F. Cough, F, cough, cough like that, it's a pronunciation. So here GH represents the sound as F. It is pronounced as F. Cough. Here in the alphabet, alphabet, F, alphabet. And here funny, 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 F. Its pronunciation is F here. And here for PH, its pronunciation is F. And here GH, the pronunciation is F. What are the things we have seen here? For funny, the pronunciation of F is as F. And here for alphabet, PH pronounces F. And here cough, it's GH pronounces F. And these are the things here that is given as a phonics thing. And here the another one said, I have took few lines from the book in the lesson of Alice and the White Rabbit. And see here, so she jumped right up and ran after the rabbit again. So she jumped right up and ran after the rabbit again. And the next line is, the poor thing was very frightened of her rage. The poor thing was very frightened of her rage. And the next one is, and so the white rabbit ran, dodging the low branches along the way. Actually you all know the story, and now we are going to see the phonics that the same pronunciation. In this line I have took the word as jumped. Jumped. Here the pronunciation of J is J. So we are going to see for the pronunciation J, J, G and DJ make the sound as J. It pronounces as J. So here the jumped, in jumped we have the pronunciation as J here. J, jumped, jumped. And here in the second one, the poor thing was very frightened of the rage. Here I have took the word as rage. Here G makes the sound as J. Rage, rage. So we have the pronunciation as J. And the next one, and so the white rabbit ran, dodging the low branches along the way. Here I have took the word as dodging. Here the word DG, the letters DG makes the sound as J. Dodging. Here J, dodging. So we have the pronunciation as J here. So what are the things we have seen here? Jumped. Here the pronunciation is J for J. And here the word I have taken as rage, rage. Here last word GE makes the sound as G makes the sound as J. And here dodging I have took. So here DG makes the pronunciation as J. So in the last thing we have seen about the pronunciation of F and here a pronunciation for J. For F, what are the things we have seen? F, PH and GH makes the sound as F. See here, funny, funny, F. So here alphabet, alphabet. So here PH makes the sound as F. Here cough, cough. So GH makes the sound as F. And here we have seen J, G and DG make the sound as J. So here the examples are jumped. J makes the sound as J and jumped, jumped. Here rage. So rage, GE also makes the sound as J. So rage. And here dodging, DG makes the sound as J. So now we shall see some more examples for this pronunciation. Now we shall see to the examples. Before seeing to this, just remember that F sound makes for what and all? F, PH and GH. Then for J sound, J, G, DG. So we shall see to this. Read these words aloud. Circle the words that have the F sound and underline the words that have the J sound. We are going to find F sound and J sound. If it is F sound means we are going to circle that and underline, we are going to underline the word where the J sound comes. So see to the words given here. Wolf, edge, graph, telephone, danger, object, laugh, magic. We are going to read it aloud. Wolf, wolf. Here F sound makes. So F sound means, F means it's a pronunciation for F. So F. Here we have got a sound as F. So we are going to circle the word. Here the word is F is given. So the pronunciation comes as F. So you are going to circle that. And see to the next one, edge. It coming as G. G makes a sound for J. Edge. So you are going to J sound means you will underline the words. So you are just underlining the word edge. So see to the next one, graph. PH. PH makes the sound for F. If it is a F sound, you will circle that one. So you are going to circle. PH makes the sound as F. And here telephone. Telephone. PH makes a sound for F. So you are going to circle. If the sound comes as F, you are going to circle. If the sound is J, you are going to underline that word. And here danger. Danger. Here G. G makes the sound as J. So you are going to underline the word as danger. Here G makes the sound as J. So here object. Here J makes the sound as J. Object. So we are going to underline this word. And see to the next word, laugh. Laugh. Here GH makes the sound laugh. F sound. It makes the sound as F. GH makes the sound as F. So so you are going to circle the word laugh. And see to the next one, magic. Magic. J sound is coming here. So you just underline the word. So what are the things we have seen? Wolf. Here F pronunciation comes under F. And so we are circling the word. And here edge. Edge. G makes the sound of J. So we are just underlining the word. And here graph. PH makes the sound as F. So we are circling. And telephone. PH makes the sound for F. So we are circling this one. Here danger. Danger. G makes the sound for J. So we are underlining that. Here object. J makes the sound as J. And here laugh. GH. GH makes the sound for F. And here magic. G makes the sound as J. So these things we have seen in the phonics part.